We need to know the states of elements and compounds because we need to identify their states in reactions. There are four main states: gas, liquid, solid, and aqueous. Aqueous means it's soluble in water and it only applies to compounds. All of these states will be written as subscripts next to their respective elements or compounds. Gas will be a lowercase g in brackets, liquid will be a lowercase l in brackets, solid will be a lowercase s in brackets, and aqueous will be a lowercase aq in brackets. Firstly, we will cover how to find the states of elements on their own. Hofbrinkel is an acronym that stands for hydrogen, oxygen,